We got today a 2015 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 V-Force. Got the mud grill on the front, mud guard. Then what we did is we true dualed it. Still got the original catalytic converters. And then it's true dualed with a Super 10 Outlaw Flowmaster into 2¼ tailpipes, into 3.5-inch tips. Black tips. Straight out the back, rolled. Gives it that really nice clean look. There it is right there. There's a Super 10. There's a True Dual. If you want to buy a truck, you buy a Tundra because it's True Dual. Sounds nice from the factory, and then you just complete the look with True Dual in and out the back. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Go ahead. Oh, much better. The Super 10s never disappoint. Come on. And they don't, man. They sound really good. Your Tahoe's next. TRD 4x4. Give it gas. All right. Let it ring till we're done with the video. Black tips just give it that murder look. Completes it. Oh yeah. Another happy customer. And that's how it's done.